matter of you have to do the keyword research for your product and know what the search terms are that customers are looking for. And the last thing I'll mention is the search terms in the back end of your product listing. Probably 98% of all companies and sellers do these wrong. They add commas, they add duplicate keywords, they add redundant keywords, they try to do phrases like in Google. Understand how search terms are done correctly. And these are things that we cover on our course. But it's the kind of thing where if you put a lot of irrelevant keywords in your search terms, your auto campaigns are going to perform terribly. And if you don't put the right keywords in your search terms, your good relevant keyword campaigns may not perform at all, because Amazon has to recognize keywords in your listing, because otherwise they'll say, you're wanting to advertise on this keyword. We don't even see that anywhere in your listing. We don't think this is relevant. We're not even going to show your product as an ad. We're not even going to give you impressions, let alone clicks, because Amazon doesn't determine clicks. They just do the impressions, but we're not even going to give you impressions for this keyword because it's not relevant. So you got to add the right keywords and remove the wrong keywords, and that's going to help protect your advertising, which unsurprisingly brings us to our fifth biggest mistake that sellers make.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're running on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.